welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I could create with this Spectrum Profusion eyeshadow palette.
It's very rainbowy.
Anyways, right now I'm going to prime my eyes with this e.l.f. primer, and I don't set it, so I'm just gonna do that off camera. Okay, I already applied primer. Now I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I have acne right now because I've been eating pecans and almonds and all that stuff, so ignore that. So I don't know what I want to do today. Maybe I'll try to do like a sunflower look, or I don't know. We'll see, because I want to use the pink, but I'm not sure. We'll see. But anyways, first of all, I'm gonna use this blending brush, and I'm gonna start off with the shade Beat. Is this orange one right here, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Okay, now I'm going to get this shade Ember, this one right here, and apply it in my crease just to make it a little dark.
And my outer V, or this thing right here.
And I think I'm going to wet my brush so it could be darker. Okay, now with this blending brush, I'm going back with the orange. For some reason this eye doesn't want to blend in or blend out the amber color, and it is a little patchy right here, but it is not the eyeshadow, it's my eye. They're like dry for some reason. Okay, now with this Echo Tools flat brush, I think it's a flat brush, I don't know. I'm going to go into the shade Beat again, this bright orange, and this time I'm going to spray it, and I'm just going to put it a little bit just right here. Okay, now with this Luxie small shader brush, this one I'm going to dip into Marigold, the yellow one. I'm going to apply it on the rest of my eyelid.
So the yellow is sheer, but once you build it up, it's really pretty.
And maybe my eyes are a little too dry as well. this eye is definitely really dry. Doesn't want to get color that well. Definitely struggling with this eye, you guys. It's so freaking dry. So I'm going to apply this Sephora colorful green eyeliner on my waterline. I'm not gonna use black today. I mean, I am gonna use black, but on the top only. Hopefully I don't look weird. Maybe I will apply black eyeliner, but just like on the outside. Let's see how that goes. Okay, now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I already applied eyeliner and mascara. I ended up applying eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes.
And I'm not sure if I'm liking it.
But now I want to add green under my eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing that with this Luxie mini flat angle brush. This one right here. I'm going to apply the shade Peacock, this one right here, under my eyeliner. Hopefully it looks good.
Okay, I'm not going to do it with that brush. I feel like I'm making a mistake.
I'm going to go in with this brush instead. And now I'm going to try to blend it out.
Under this baggage area.
Maybe next time I won't apply black eyeliner on the bottom. See how that would look. So I want to add color into my inner corner, but since I don't have any shimmery shades here, I'm going to try to apply some of this Ciate London cream shadow. This one right here that we got in our BoxyCharm. But first, I'm going to add a little bit of the marigold yellow eyeshadow in my inner corner, just so the cream shadow has a base. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a Ciate London cream shadow, just a little bit. And see, with the base of the yellow, it looks yellow. It's really pretty.
Yeah, this eye is giving me trouble. Super freaking dry.
It doesn't look exactly the same because this eye is a little dry, but just ignore it. Okay, I think I'm gonna straighten my hair because it's annoying me. Okay, I just straightened my hair a little bit. But anyways, here is the final look. What do you guys think? I feel like it looks like hot Cheetos, but it does give me like sunflowery sunset vibes. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And I really love how my inner corner looks. I really like how this turned out. I love the pop of green. Maybe next time I won't apply the black eyeliner to see if my eyes would look better or something. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. The yellow is a little sheer. I did have to apply a couple of layers, but it looks really good. I'm super happy that I got this palette as well. I'm excited to try the rest of the colors. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.